Hey everyone, I'm tracking CSX here from now. We got CSX quite close to like yeah, 140, 139. It's going a little bit slow here on unless he thinks we're gonna have a meet or something. Well, wasn't expecting a special like that, but we will take it. Heard something earlier on the radio saying there was a fire with another train, and then they were worried about a rail train getting a rail train past. Another train that was having a fire problem. So maybe they were trying to get this rail train past. Maybe that was way earlier though, when this train was probably still in passing that train that had a fire trouble near like Buffalo towards Rochester or something, when it was still towards up there. If they were talking about this rail train passing by, but at least if they were talking about this train here, at least it made it past that train that had a fire problem, and then it looks like the fire maybe had gone out too and stuff from that other train that was having trouble that this train met when it was still up towards Buffalo and Rochester area. But yeah, there he goes.